Hi, I'm Tori, Nature Ford's Chesapeake Conservation and Climate Corps member, and welcome to our new series, Monday Morning Meanderings, where we explore a new topic about Woodend every week. This week, we're going to start off with learning about the mansion itself.
Woodend is home to a historic house in Chevy Chase, Maryland, just outside of D.C. Before the mansion existed, it was home to the Algonquin-speaking people and later belonged to the Jones family for over 150 years, where the land was used for crops and livestock. Chevy Chase was founded in 1918 and became an exclusively white, wealthy neighborhood for these families to build large estates outside the city. Woodend was constructed by John Russell Pope, a famous neoclassical architect, in 1927. The mansion was built for Chester and Marion Wells, who transformed the property into a manicured landscape, unlike the forest meadows we see here today. Marion Wells was a member of the Audubon Naturalist Society, and in 1969 she donated the mansion and its 40 acres of land to us, Nature Ford, so it could continue to be preserved as a nature sanctuary. Now it's our home for all the cool work we do today.